Every year, the world produces over 29 million tons of pineapples. Nearly half of that become waste and ends up in open landfills that contaminates the soil and releases methane, a powerful greenhouse gas. At the same time, our rivers are drowning in chemicals. The foam you see in the rivers like Yamuna River, Tite River, and Lake Erie comes from synthetic detergents. These chemicals block sunlight, reduce oxygen, and harm aquatic life. What cleans our home is polluting our water. These two problems seem completely unrelated until now. Introducing RePine. RePine transforms pineapple peels into natural biodegradable cleaning product using fruit enzyme and ritha, which contains natural surfactants, completely free from synthetic chemicals. RePine offer different products like hand soap, laundry detergent, and dishwashing liquid, which is biodegradable and environment friendly.
To create these eco-cleaning solutions, we use a simple natural fermentation process. The pineapple peels are fermented to extract liquid ecoenzyme. Later, it is diluted with natural surfactants to create biodegradable cleaners. The leftover solid residue from fermentation can be used as a compost, so nothing is wasted here. Now, looking at the fermentation ratio, we use 3 parts of peels with 10 parts of water and 1 part of jaggery. Just 3 kg of peels can produce 100 liters of cleaning products. Moving to our operational model, we have multiple community hubs, each covering an area of radius 10 to 15 kilometers for efficient and organized collection of peels. Each hub collects peels daily from its registered vendors, juice shops, hotels, and street markets. They are also responsible in storage of peels to avoid every early decay. Now, the collected peels from hubs are transported to its nearby factories. Each factory manages over 3 to 5 hubs. Hence, we have a multi-factory production model.
So let me walk you through why RePine is not just practical, it's profitable too. 1 kg of peel produces 4.5 liters of enzymes. Our daily requirement is 50 kg. At rate of 20 per kg, our monthly expenses is 26,000. We produce 400 liters per day with which we make our 4 products. Our operating cost is 19,600 rupees per day. So this is our manufacture and selling cost. Our daily revenue is 64,000. After expenses, our monthly profit is around 11.5 lakh and our initial investment is 19.5 lakh. This is the global and local demand of our product.
Repent creates measurable environmental and social impact. By replacing toxic chemicals and diverting waste, we reduce CO2 emissions. At the same time, we generate green jobs, increase farmers' income, and improve sanitation in local communities. Our vision is to transform food waste into opportunity, cleaner homes, healthier rivers, and more fertile soil. Repent supports key sustainable development goals, especially responsible for consumption and production.
If we win $1 million, most of the funding directly goes into scaling impact through manufacturing, while the rest ensures quality, safety, and long-term growth. A cleaner planet doesn't start with big changes, it starts with small action, even with one pineapple peel. With Repine, waste becomes opportunity. Thank you.